It's not just taking the picture, it's getting in their soul, being part of their skin. My name is Michelle Agins, and I'm an award-winning photographer for the New York Times. My work as a photographer is very physical. I had advanced arthritis in both knees. I was in so much pain, I couldn't even think about my pictures. I could not be the artist that I wanted to be. To have a doctor that cares that much makes you feel like healing is just a step away. The fact that I could go back to work, that brightened my life up. My work life now, with the 2 new knees, is perfect. It's not just a doctor, it's the whole family. And that's my new family, HSS.